Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we're opening the Monogrammed Bride box. This is the June box and I am so excited, y'all. If you didn't see my last unboxing of this box, it was so good. I'm seriously so impressed with this subscription. I reached out to her a while back because I kept seeing her ads come up on my Instagram and I just knew I had to have this box. I love what she does. She's so sweet, so hardworking. I love her connection with her subscribers and the box items are so good. Every month she will send you a box that is personalized just for you with your new last name on it. Each month there will be 1 to 2 items that are customized with your last name on it, which is so fun. And then there are some fun little items in there. She does fantastic themes. Last month was like a summer fun pool day themed. I love it. I got a veil that says my new last name on it. Since then, I've had friends come over and they have complimented me on it and said that that is so cute and that they want one. So guess what they're going to be getting for their bachelorette parties? You know it. I'm so excited to see what's in this box. I did see some spoilers, but I tried really hard to stay away from them. And I'm so excited. I do want to say thank you so much to the Crafty Lady Boutique for sending me this box. That is who does this box. I think she also has a monogrammed wife box as well, and her whole storefront just has a bunch of great items. So if you aren't getting married and you don't know anybody that would want the subscription, they do have lots of great options on the site of tons of different gifts that are beautiful to gift. So I'm so excited. Let's open this up. Do think you can go in and order this individual box if you want to. I'll put a direct link down for this box if you're interested, and there is still the box available, I think, from last month too. So let's see what we got. I'm so excited. So first it says, "Hello, Mrs. Corin," which is going to be me. I'm so excited. So this is the red, white, and I do themed box. I'm so excited. First thing I'm seeing in here is a pair of earrings. I'm gonna take them out of the packaging. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for the 4th of July, but I will be wearing these because they're so cute. Look how cute this is. It's studded with a bunch of different pins. I'm not sure if these are glued on. They are glued on, but you could totally like wear this for the 4th of July and then take these pins off and replace them with just like some different ones that you like, so that you could wear this the whole season of being engaged. This is so cute. That'd be so cute. Okay, this is adorable. Also, it's super comfortable too, which I appreciate, because if you have followed me on this channel for a little while, you know I have really bad headaches. So anything that like puts pressure on my head does not work for me. And this doesn't. I mean, seriously, look how cute this is. I love it. This is adorable. Okay, next up we have these. Okay, so we have 2 koozies. One says red, white, and I do, and the other says red, white, and I do too. This is adorable. I am absolutely going to be drinking out of these on the 4th of July. Also love this blue too. Very cute. And then lastly, we have the t-shirt. And this is so exciting. Okay, so first of all, I decided to get in an extra large. I like a pretty oversized t-shirt, and I figured this would be a good t-shirt to wear as like a swimsuit cover up or a sleep shirt or to the gym. So I wanted something that was a little bit baggier. It's from Crafty Lady Boutique, which I love that she has this in here. And it says Mrs. Corin on the front. And then it says red, white, and I do on the back. Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me put this on. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I'm really glad I got the extra large. It's not tight or anything by any means. I feel like this could be women's sizing rather than unisex. So I'm really glad that I got it in this size. It's so cozy and I feel like this blue is so fun. I'm definitely a little bit biased, but I think it looks really good with my blue eyes. So I love that it's blue. Probably gonna be wearing it throughout July. And then just sleeping in it and living in it because it's so soft and cozy. I love this box. You do also get a sneak peek of a color of what the next month will be. So that will be really fun. I'm excited to see what that ends up being. I'm so excited. I love this box. This is so much fun to open. It's such a cool experience. I've never seen a box do this. So it's really cool to have something that's customized every month. I just absolutely love it. I had so much fun with this one. I absolutely loved it. I don't know if this one or last month is my favorite because I feel like we got some good stuff last month, but I feel like this one is really cool too. So I don't know. You're gonna have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much again to the Crafty Lady Boutique for sending me this box and for customizing these items for me. I feel so extra special and loved. And if you are interested, definitely go ahead and check out the description box down below. I'll link to this box and her website as a whole so you can check out everything she has. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!